If you've been thinking about selling your home, I bet a few of these thoughts have crossed your mind. What if my home takes forever to sell? What if the inspection ends up scaring the buyers away? Or maybe, where do I even start? It's been years since I last moved. You are definitely not the only one who feels that way. It's completely normal before putting your home on the market. But here is the good news. Once you understand what actually happens from the moment we list your home to the day it closes, the process feels much simpler and a lot less stressful. Today, I'm walking you through the complete seller's timeline, step by step, so you know exactly what to expect and we can move forward with confidence. I'm Lucky De Leon with Keller Williams VIP Properties, helping homeowners make selling simple, smooth, and stress-free. Let's start with pre-listing preparation. This is your home's dress rehearsal before the big show. This is when we tackle small repairs, decluttering, and maybe a little staging to help buyers imagine themselves living there. Because these days, your home's first showing doesn't happen in person. It actually happens online. Those photos are your handshake with potential buyers. And we want that handshake to feel confident and inviting. And listen, if you've been in your home for many years, it's normal to feel emotional during this stage. I like to think of this as setting the stage for your next chapter, not just cleaning up the current one. Next comes launch week. Your home officially hits the market, and it's your home's moment to shine. We'll have professional photos, video tours, detailed descriptions, and make sure your home shines on the major home search sites buyers use every day, social media, and make it known to the areas where your potential buyers are. Those first 7 to 10 days are when the most eyeballs are on your home. That's when serious buyers are actively looking and booking showings. My job is to make sure your home stands out and captures that excitement everywhere it's seen. Once your listing goes live, it's time for showings, sometimes on short notice, especially on weekends. It can be a little inconvenient, I know, but it's a good sign. It means buyers are interested. Most homes see the most traffic during the first 2 to 3 weeks, so I help you plan ahead to keep your home show-ready without losing your sanity. And yes, I've seen it all, from beds made in record time to hiding laundry in the car trunk, whatever works. Now, here is something important to keep in mind. Every market moves a little differently. Sometimes homes sell in just a few days, and other times it takes a little longer for the right buyer to come along. That doesn't always mean something's wrong. It can simply reflect what's happening in the market at that moment. Interest rates, buyer demand, or even the time of year. If we notice showings slowing down or fewer online views, we'll take a step back together and look at what might need a quick adjustment, whether it's price, presentation, or marketing strategy. The goal isn't to rush, it's to respond smartly. That way, we keep your home competitive and positioned to attract the right buyer, not just any buyer. When the offers start coming in, that's where the right guidance and strategy really makes a difference. The best offer isn't always the highest number. We'll look at terms, contingencies, financing type, and timelines to make sure it's truly the strongest one for you. I help make sense of all the real estate details, so you can clearly see what each offer really means and feel confident choosing the right one. Once we open escrow, things move behind the scenes. The buyer will schedule inspections and sometimes request repairs or credits, which is totally normal. Then comes the appraisal, where the lender confirms the value of your home. Escrow typically takes about 30 to 45 days. During this time, communication is everything. I stay in close communication with the buyer's agent, lender, escrow officer, everyone involved, so nothing slips through the cracks. Think of it like a group project, where I make sure no one forgets their part. As we near closing day, we will coordinate the final walkthrough, sign the closing paperwork, and confirm your moving date. Once escrow closes, the funds are released to you and the home officially transfers to the buyer. It's always a proud moment, the finish line of one chapter and the beginning of another. Selling a home is a big milestone, sometimes emotional, always meaningful. For many sellers, it's about simplifying life, moving closer to family, or starting a brand new chapter. Whatever your reason, my goal is to guide you through it with clarity, care, and a steady hand from start to finish. If you are thinking about selling soon and want a personalized timeline for your home, reach out. I love to help you plan it out and make it stress-free. And if you find this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more local real estate tips. And remember, don't depend on luck, depend on lucky.